So here we've got the starter motor from a Ford Ranger. Had an intermittent starting problem with the car. Sometimes it would start, sometimes absolutely nothing would happen, and it turned out to be the connection to the 12-volt connection to the solenoid that was intermittent. I went to tighten up the connection. This one just here. And the stud, the copper stud, sheared off, so that was game over as far as that was concerned. So took the unit out and discovered that the other stud was also was cross-threaded. That was just turning and not tightening, so needed to cut that off with a hacksaw, which is now done. As you can see, that's free, and I've already loosened these. These were quite tough to undo. So these come out nice and easily now, and that's the there's the and there's the solenoid out. And you see there's a spring inside, and the piston there. So managed to find on eBay a new solenoid, which has just arrived. So fingers crossed it's the correct one. This is Mitsubishi starter motor. I'll put the part number in the description. In fact, you can probably see I've cleaned off the label. If this will focus, then you can see the part number there, but I'll put that in the description. Right, what have we got? New solenoid. There she is, nice and shiny. And on first inspection, that looks like the right one. There's a spring, and there's what have we got? We got two plain washers, two spring washers, and two nuts. So I'll take the piston out to put the spring in. Just compare this with the original. So I don't know if you can see in this light down there, probably not, but the inside looks identical, and the two pistons. Sorry, I put those in front of the lens. That'll help. The two pistons, yeah, looks good. They look identical. So which was the new spring? Is that the new spring or the old spring? Does it matter? Nah. So I'll get a spanner on there to tighten that up. But there we go, new solenoid on the starter motor. Now just need to wait for it to stop raining to fit it inside the vehicle.